Technology is moving fast, faster than most people can realistically keep up with. Every week, there's some new headline saying AI is about to change everything. Robots are getting smarter. Quantum computing is advancing quickly. Brain chips are becoming real. And depending on who's talking, the future either sounds incredible or completely unhinged. Most of the time, it's neither. That's really the point of this channel. Welcome to Midnight DeepTek. If you're curious about where technology is going, but tired of the hype, the buzzwords, and the dramatic headlines, you're in the right place. Because out here, everything gets exaggerated. Every new tool is supposed to change the world. Every breakthrough is supposedly closer than you think. Every company wants you to believe the future already arrived. And sometimes that's true, but most of the time, it's baloney. So what I want to do with this channel is simple. Take the technologies people keep hearing about. AI, robotics, brain-computer interfaces, quantum computing, chips, biotech, and break them down in a way that actually makes sense. No trying to sound smarter than necessary. No pretending every invention is magic. And no treating every new headline like the sky is falling. Just clear breakdowns, honest reality checks, and a real look at what these technologies might actually mean for regular people. Because the future doesn't always arrive with an announcement. It usually shows up quietly before most people even notice it happening. It starts in labs, in data centers, in factories, in research papers, in weird demos that people laugh at first and then suddenly take seriously a few years later. That's the stuff I care about. The technologies that seem confusing at first, but end up shaping how we live, work, think, and communicate. So on this channel, we're going to talk about things like AI agents replacing the way we use apps, humanoid robots finally becoming useful in the real world, brain-computer interfaces moving out of science fiction and into actual testing, quantum computing without the fake mystery that usually surrounds it. Basically, if it sounds futuristic, powerful, slightly strange, and easy to misunderstand, it belongs here. And if that sounds like your kind of channel, hit subscribe. New deep dives every week. This is Midnight DeepTek, and we're just getting started.